How to download Lorex app on your Android phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your Android phone, head over to your Play Store. After you are in the store, tap on the search bar. Now search for Lorex. Tap on search. In the search results, the Lorex app with this kind of logo will appear. The official Lorex app is developed by Lorex Technology Incorporation, so you can reconfirm it. Once you find the app, tap on it. It will open up the app's page. Now in order to download this into your Android phone, you can tap on this install option. The download process has now begun. This process might take few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can see this open button over here. You can directly launch the app from here. And there you go. You've successfully downloaded the Lorex app on your Android phone. You can now log in or set up your account and you can start exploring the app. So that's how easily you can download Lorex app on your Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.